Welcome to ECG challenge number 6. Please use 7-step approach for the systematic analysis. You will see many images of the same ECG. Pause the video if you need more time. Let's start. This ECG belongs to a 24-year-old female who presented with history of palpitations. Please write your diagnosis in the comments section. The correct answer is motion artifact. Tremors or shivering can cause motion artifacts that may obscure the ECG waveforms or mimic abnormal patterns like atrial fibrillation or atrial flutter, thereby complicating the interpretation of the ECG. There are no other obvious abnormality in this ECG, but it has been repeated for correct interpretation. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next ECG challenge.